Yo guys, this is autopilot car in China, and yeah, we got it. The camera is kind of bad, so don't mind that. That yellow car is our car, trust. If it stops right here, then that's our car. And he's coming. This is a bus. Yo.
One eternity later.
And this is what it looks like inside. I mean, it's actually very good. Alright, so just so you know, there's nobody here. Just wait. And basically, yeah. Let me press this. Yo, fully automatic. Yo, you know how like sick this is? There's literally no one driving. Literally no one driving. Oh, look at this.
紧急情况下，可以点击屏幕上的远程求助按钮与我们通话，祝您行程愉快。
Like, tell me this isn't sick, bro. And by the way, only in China. Trust. Look at this, bro. The car is low-key actually the nicest car you can ever see. Just the tour. I'm too short. There's that. A mirror. Yo. Nobody's there. And yet somehow it's still driving. Look, watch this. So I'm just gonna speed up this video, and I'll see you when we arrive. Yeah. And it opens the door all by itself using something. And goodbye, car. I'll see you in a bit.
然后
是
我也没到，
走吧，
然后我
是不是没付？
好，
Bye, car.
那个体验。
Yeah, that's what it is. It's pretty nice, low key. It was literally like a lounge car. We're gonna do it again when we come back. And everything is it's just China. Just China, always. But, like, when will you ever see a truck that's so big that can fit, like, your whole family for only... So, yeah. I'm here and I'll...
And bye.